Hear that? That's not normal. Probably not in your best interest if you're doing this yourself to attach the brackets to the rear seat delete itself, the carbon cover. You should probably just, I could be wrong, do this at your own discretion. Bolt in the brackets and then bolt in the rear seat delete itself, but I've already done it. I'm not gonna go and take out the bolts right now. Should be pretty self-explanatory from here. Pull everything out, take out the screws, screw it back in, and then just try and sort of weasel its way into the best fitment possible. With carbon, I know it's always tough to get perfect fitment, so I'm not gonna hold anybody to that. I will, because it's an expensive piece, but I also sort of expect it, so I expected it when I purchased it. So I've been trying to wear the same outfit to make it seem like this is the same day, but that's not gonna work out because it's raining bad outside today. And it's coming into the garage, which is kind of a problem. So those videos, I lost all the footage of me installing the roll cage. So, I mean, it's kind of it's a shame, obviously. Like, I was editing and then all of a sudden most of it was gone, but it wasn't really an instructional video. So I was just huffing and puffing, trying my best to get that into the car, but it's in now. And the next just few clips, I guess, are some B-roll of the cage in, and I installed the harness rails just to see what it would look like. I had put the harness in, but that footage is gone too. So most of the footage from the install yesterday, the roll cage, is gone forever, but it's basically, I think all that's sort of lost is me explaining that it's not fully secured. It's going to get secured at some point, but it's all in and it looks really good. So I'll show some photos and the few clips that I was able to recover.